Hey guys, I just want to take the time to encourage you all. So it is the end of 2024 and we're moving into 2025. To God be the glory, great things He has done. Guys, 2024 may be a rough year for you. You may have been through the storms of ups and downs, the valleys, the hills, and the mountain, but you are at the end of 2024. And indeed, God is awesome. 2025 is your year. I know a lot of people make New Year's resolution. They want to accomplish things that they did not accomplish in the last year. So maybe you want to accomplish a car, a house, you want to go to school, whatever it is, write down that you aspire and you will make it with the grace of God. If you want to start a YouTube channel, just start. Go ahead and start. Now is the time to make a difference in your life. And I just want to encourage you to continue to be you, because God is. As you embark into 2025, I just want to share this scripture with you from Proverbs 16 verse 3. And it says, "Ask the Lord to bless your plans and you will be successful in carrying them out." I know a lot of us will go ahead and we make plans of what we want to accomplish at a specific period of time, but sometimes we do not ask God to bless our plans. We want to rush ahead and to accomplish these without acknowledging God and wait upon Him for Him to give us the direction and the go ahead to accomplish these things. So I hope these few words encourage you as you go into a new year, and Happy New Year to you all. I hope that this year will be a blessing for you and your family. God bless you. Stay blessed.